Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. Now, in this video, I'm going to encourage you to experiment with more blocks and functions in your Architect Simulator. So I have a nice functioning Architect Simulator where when I press a green flag, I can, whoops, I gotta press a green flag. I can move this around, I can change it, and I can add in all sorts of interesting designs, like that sort of ball-looking thing. Isn't that a cool building? Cool. So this works on my other sprites, but there's a bunch more blocks that I could use. Like, for instance, my project is very quiet. Maybe I want to change the sound. Maybe I want to make it so the blocks kind of move on their own by using some different motion blocks. Maybe I want to try some different pen blocks, or maybe I want to add in some different extensions, whatever. So there's a lot of really cool things that you can do by experimenting with these different blocks. So I'm going to encourage you to have some fun and just experiment, see what you can add, see what you can do. And if you have chunks of code that are all working together to create something, like a function, go to My Blocks and make a block for it and give it a name that will easily make it so people can understand what's going on in that chunk of code. So add in some blocks, add in some functions, have some fun with your Architect Simulator. Hey everyone, if you're watching this on YouTube, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. If you're not watching us on YouTube, you can find us on that platform as well as other social media outlets by searching for BootUp PD. And if you're looking for more free lessons, projects, and resources for teachers and students, visit us at bootuppd.org, where you can also learn about our high-quality professional development.